Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best drone with HD cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the dppow ERMJXX400W FPV drone camera. Do you wish to share all your favorite photos and videos immediately after capturing them? You can now share all your photos with friends and family with the aid of this top-quality drone camera that is Wi-Fi enabled. The camera also has an FPV real-time transmission, enabling you to connect your drone to the camera. It also has a high-capacity battery that will assure up to 8 to 9 minutes of flight time. This is the best drone camera that will assure you of beautiful photos you will love. Moving on at number 4, we have the UDI U818A HD Drone with camera. This is a reliable and convenient headless mode drone with 6-axis gyro stability, which will assure you of great stability and maneuverability. It has the best drone camera that will enable you to capture high-res videos and pictures that you will always love. Ensuring that you enjoy a longer flight time comes with high-quality and more durable battery that will serve you better. The 2MP camera also has a 4GB micro SD to store all your videos and photos safely. You can now get the camera online by making your order now, and you will love it. At number 3, we have the RC Quadcopter drone with FPV camera live video. The RC Quadcopter drone with FPV camera live video is one of the best-selling drones with an FPV camera for capturing excellent photos. It features a 0.3 MP video camera that is perfect for taking high-quality aerial photos and videos. The FPV camera also has both a mobile album and app, in which all the videos and images will always be listed. The drone comes with a powerful battery to assure you of a longer flight time. It also has a gimbal to give you the chance to position your camera rightly. At number 2, we have the Force 1 U45W Blue Jay Wi-Fi FPV Quadcopter drone. The HD cameras are some of the best drone cameras that are very ergonomic and capture the ultimate photos you will find amazing. With this powerful camera, you will be able to capture every single moment you are out on the flight. It also has a first-person view, enabling you to watch the real-time live streaming video directly from your Android or iPhone. The HD camera can capture 720p high-definition videos and photos you will gladly share with family and friends since it is Wi-Fi enabled. And finally at number 1, we have the Holy Stone HS170 Predator RC drone. Whenever you need to find the best drone camera that will guarantee you top-notch service and reliability, then this is the ultimate choice. The drone employs the 2.4 GHz technology for the best anti-inferences. The drone offers you up to between 6 to 8 minutes of flight time, hence you will always get the opportunity to capture the best photos and videos. For your safety, it has a long control range of about 30 to 50 meters. Besides this, the high-definition camera will enable you to capture some of the best photos ever. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.